Imagine drowning in pitch-black darkness while chained to a heavy wooden bench. You cannot run. You cannot even scream. This is your new home. A plane vanishes over the Pacific, and the world is left with a silence that lasts almost a century. How can two famous flyers disappear in daylight? You decide to only drink energy drinks for a week. What could go wrong?
All the videos you are watching are created with AI. Now look at this channel. It has more than 438,000 subscribers. And this one has more than 227,000 subscribers. And this one has more than 206,000 subscribers. These are the new, untouched but trendy videos at this moment. And all of them are making videos with AI. In this video, I am going to talk about all these three niches and share how you can create these videos using a single platform or tool. So, let's dive in. Okay, let's talk about niche 1, viral skeleton videos. Look at this channel. They are making simple lifestyle videos with a skeleton character and have gained millions of views on the videos. And this niche is pretty unique at this moment. So, I am going to share how you can create this video. To create all the videos, I will use only one platform called Abacus Studio. Here, you can access more than 50 generative models to create images, videos, voice, and more. Almost all the popular and powerful tools are available here, and this is inside the Chat LLM team, where you will get access to all the premium chat models. Okay, let's create the first video. To create the video, we will follow 4 steps. Create the idea, generate the prompts, generate the videos, and assemble them. Let's start with the idea. We will create videos with a very trendy and evergreen topic, what if. To create all the prompts, we have to use this master prompt. I will put this prompt in the description box. You just have to copy the prompt. Now, you can use any chat model inside Chat LLM to create the prompts. However, you can use the Abacus Studio Auto mode to create the prompt. At this moment, the video generator option is selected. I will change it to Auto to use the LLM. Now, enter the prompt and then hit the send button. It will train the LLM to write prompts. Now, I will ask for 10 video ideas. And here it is. The LLM gives us 10 video ideas. And all the ideas are really good. We now have 10 really interesting what-if situations. You can select anyone and create the prompts. However, if you want more ideas, just ask the LLM and it will give you more ideas. Once you find the best idea, just copy the idea and paste it here in the text box and hit the send button. Now the LLM will create the detailed description and scene-by-scene prompt. And here it is. All the prompts are ready. Now we can move forward to the next step, scene image generation. However, we need a reference image like this to keep the video consistent. So, I will ask for the character or reference image prompt. And here it is. The LLM gives us a very detailed prompt. Okay, all of our prompts are ready. Now I will create the character image first. You can just type create an image and then enter the prompt. The LLM model will select the best model for you and create the image. However, I will go with manual mode, so I am selecting the image generation feature from here. Now, I will enter the prompt. After that, I will select the image generation model. You will find all the popular and powerful models. I am selecting the GPT Image 2 model. After that, set the number of images you want to create. Next, set the quality of the images. And in the end, set the aspect ratio and resolution. Once everything is set, hit the send button to generate the image. And here it is. The images are ready. GPT Image 2 created 2 images for us. And you can see the quality of the image. This is a perfect image for our video. Okay, now you can save the image on your drive for further use. Okay, our reference image is ready. Now we have to create the scene images. So I will add the skeleton image as the reference and enter the first scene prompt. Once the prompt and image are added, set all other settings. Once done, hit the send button. And here it is. The first scene image is ready. This is a perfect image for our video. Okay, now I will move forward to the next scene image. I will add the same image as the reference image. After that, copy the second image prompt, set the settings, and then hit generate. And here it is. The image is ready, and this is perfect. Now, using the same method, create all the scene images. Okay, all the images are ready. Now we will turn them into video clips. So, I am selecting video mode from here. Now, we have to select the video generation model. you will find all the powerful models like Seedance 2.0, VO 3.1, Sora 2, and more. I am selecting the Seedance 2.0 model. After that, select the duration. We need a short video for every scene, so select 5 to 8 seconds. After that, set the quality. Next, select the aspect ratio, video resolution, and the audio. Okay, our settings are done. Now we will add the first scene image as the reference. I will add it from the generation. Once the image is added, we have to copy the first scene prompt. I will keep all the prompts in the doc file so that we don't have to scroll again. Okay, now copy the first scene prompt, enter the prompt, and then hit the generate button. And here it is. The video is ready. Look at this. This is really amazing. Now we have to generate the second video clip. Add the second scene image as the reference. Copy the second scene prompt and enter it here. Set the settings and then hit the generate button. And here is the result. Now, using the same method, create all other scene videos. The steps are the same. Select the image, enter the prompt, and generate the video. Once all the video clips are ready, come to the File section from here. You will find all the generated assets. Now I will save all the video clips. Okay, our video clips are ready. Now, we have to create the voiceover. So, come to the prompt section. Here at the top, you will find the script. Copy the script and come to the Abacus Studio. Select the speech option from here. The speech option will open on the right side. Now, select the type to text-to-speech. After that, select the speech model. I will select 11 Labs. Next, select the submodel, voice language, and voice actor. Once all the settings are set, enter the script. Now, hit the generate button. Okay, the voiceover is ready. Now download the voice clip. Okay, all the assets are ready. Now you can stitch all the video clips and the voiceover to make the final video like this.
You decide to only drink energy drinks for a week. What could go wrong? Day 1. First can down. Instant energy surge. Feeling unstoppable. Day 2. Eyes start twitching, heart racing, sleep impossible. Day 3. Hands trembling, dark circles forming, breathing shallow.
So now we can create videos like Sapiens using only one platform. Alright, now let's move forward to the next niche, 3D documentary videos, where we will create unsolved cases, but with a different style. So, first, we need some famous but unsolved cases. To find the story, I will use Chat LLM. I am just asking, can you please give me some famous and unsolved cases? And here it is. We have got all the well-known unsolved cases from around the world. Just select one of them. Now, I will create the script. To create the script, I will use this prompt. As usual, you will get it in the description. Just copy the full prompt. After that, change the title of the video and replace it with your video topic. Now, you can change the chat model from here. I am selecting the GPT 5.5 model. Now, once you hit the send button, GPT will start writing the script for you. Okay, the script is ready. Now, you can preview it and customize if needed. I am fine with this result. Now I will break this script into scenes and create image prompts. So I will enter this master prompt and then hit the send button. And here it is, the scene by scene prompts are ready. Now we will create the images. I am copying the first scene prompt and then coming back to the Studio tab, selecting the image generator, set the model, aspect ratio, resolution, and other settings. And then, I will paste the prompt here in this box. Now, hit the generate button. And here it is, the first scene image is ready. Now, I will copy the second scene prompt, paste it into the Studio prompt box, and then hit the generate button. And this is the second scene image. Now following the same method, I will create the rest of the images. Okay, all the images are ready. Now we will turn all the images into video clips. I will create the video prompt for every scene, and for that, I will use this master prompt. Just enter the prompt and hit the send button. And within a few seconds, you will find all the prompts. That's awesome. Let's create the video clips. I am selecting the video mode. Select the Seedance 2.0 as the video generator. Next, set the duration, aspect ratio, quality, resolution, and other settings. Now, select the first scene image as the reference, enter the first scene prompt. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. And here it is. The video clip is ready. And this is a perfect video clip for this niche. Okay, now let's create the other scenes. Follow the same formula. Select the image, enter the prompt, set the settings, and then hit the Generate button. Once all the video clips are ready, download all of them to your device. Okay, all the video clips are ready. Now we have to generate the voiceover, and for that, just follow the previous niche formula. Open the speech option, select the generation model, submodel, select the language and voice actor. After that, enter the script. Once the voiceover is ready, save it to the device and then stitch with all the video clips to make the final video like this.
A plane vanishes over the Pacific, and the world is left with a silence that lasts almost a century. How can two famous flyers disappear in daylight, with a radio in the air, ships at sea, and the whole world waiting? Amelia Earhart was one of the most famous pilots of the 20th century. In 1937, she and navigator Fred Noonan tried to fly around the world near the equator, a route of more than 29,000 miles.
Okay, that was our second niche. Now we will move forward to the next niche, 2D historical legacy or explainer video like Lost Legacy. This niche needs some research as we have to give the accurate result. I am taking the Lost Legacy channel as my reference. Now, I will find the most popular videos of this channel and then copy the 5 most popular videos URLs and then paste them into a chat LLM chat box. We will use them as the reference so that we can get the best video idea and script. You can add more than 5 videos. Okay, all the video links are here. Now, I will enter a custom prompt. As usual, you will find it in the description. After entering the prompt, you can change the LLM model. I will use Gemini model this time. Now, hit the send button. And here it is, the chatbot is ready. Now, I will ask for the video idea. Gemini will now analyze all the videos we gave and then give us some unique ideas. You have to choose the best idea from here. You can go with all the ideas also. Let's say, I want to go with this idea. So, I am typing, I will go with idea, and then enter the idea you want to create, and then type, now can you please make a 500 words video script for this idea? Okay, within a few seconds you will get the video script. And this is really a great script. As the script is ready, now it's time to generate the prompts. To create the video and image prompts this time, I will use this master prompt. Once you enter the prompt and hit the send button, it will analyze the script, break it into scenes, and create the prompts. First, we have the character image prompts. After that, it gave us scene-by-scene video prompts. Let's create the character images first. I will copy the first character image prompt, then come to the Studio tab, select the image generation option, and set all other settings like image model, aspect ratio, and other settings. Once done, enter the character image prompt and hit the Generate button. And here it is. Our first character is ready. Now, in the same method, create all other character and location images. Okay, our reference images are ready. Now we will create the video clips. Select the video mode, and set all other settings like video model, aspect ratio, and other settings. Once done, add the reference images for the video one. After that, enter the prompt and hit the Generate button. And here it is. The video is ready. This is really amazing. Now, using the same method, create all other scenes. Once all the video clips are ready, save them to your device. Next, we have to generate the voiceover. The process is the same as before. Go to the speech option, set the model, submodel, and all other settings. After that, enter the script. Once the script is ready, stitch all the assets with a video editor and make the final video.
Imagine drowning in pitch black darkness while chained to a heavy wooden bench. You cannot run. You cannot even scream. This is your new home. You are now a Roman galley slave. Just yesterday, you were a free merchant sailing the peaceful Mediterranean Sea. Then, ruthless Roman soldiers captured your defenseless cargo vessel. They dragged you down into this damp, wooden underworld beneath the battle deck.
So we have just learned about 3 viral niches and how to create them with a single platform. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, then you should try one of them. And don't forget to try Abacus AI Studio and the Chat LLM team, because this single platform covers you all. All the links and prompts are in the description. If you found this video helpful, a like really helps this reach more people. And subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Okay, that's it from me. Go make something. I'll see you in the next one.